Brandi Glanville enduring deep depression after disgusting facial disfigurement. Brandi Glanville has opened up about her deep depression while battling facial disfigurement. Earlier this month, the 52-year-old, best known for starring in the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, shared a picture on X of her facial disfigurement. She believes that the condition is caused by a parasitic infection. "What happened? I wish I knew. I've been in and out of the hospital this past year, one-half spent almost every dollar I have trying to figure it out," the reality TV star wrote in a follow-up post. "Some doctors say I have a parasite that jumps around my face. Some say it's stress-induced edema. I personally say it's rhobh," she added. "I prefer my face when it's a little swollen, to be honest," she told hosts Evan Real and Danny Murphy. "When it's only swollen on one side, it's not great, but the sinking in thing is killing me slowly because I just feel like I look like a crackhead." Expressing her frustration, Glanville shared that she has been grappling with this issue for 2 years and is desperate for a solution. "You could do anything you want to me, and I'd be okay with it," she said. "I've had days of looking normal, not weeks. I wish, but it comes and goes. Over the weekend, it was only swollen on the right side of my face, so I looked like I had a really big meatball in the right side of my cheek." Glanville told the podcast hosts that her facial disfigurement has taken a significant toll on her mental health and social life. "It's hard to hide out during Christmas when everyone's having their parties. It's depressing. It just hurts my brain and my heart," she admitted. "The pain is more mental than anything, because I have been hiding and going through a deep depression. Even if I could work now, at this point I couldn't. So it's just been a really rough 2 years for me." She's even had to wear a mask around her 2 children, sons Mason Edward, 21, and Jake Austin, 17, so they don't have to see her scary face. "They would try and calm me down and say I look normal and fine, but I knew better," she recalled. "I honestly scared them a couple times. They were like, 'What is happening?' My face went from being like really fat and swollen to now like sinking in." The mom of 2 has enlisted the help of Los Angeles plastic surgeon Dr. Nicholas Nikolov to help treat the symptoms of her suspected parasitic infection. According to Page 6, Dr. Nikolov has been using cell sound, a non-invasive treatment that employs non-focused ultrasound waves and patented electrostimulation to rejuvenate cells without tissue damage. "This is a device that is not treating parasites," he clarified. "What we are treating here is the damage that has been caused from her having gone through all these infections for over a year. And once you have this kind of damage to the tissue, you see the cosmetic outcome she has, not enough blood getting to her face." It started as a wound healing device, so it is used to heal damaged areas, whether it's infection trauma or diabetic wounds, really anything, he continued. "So improving the blood flow, you're healing the tissue. And by healing it, of course, it looks and feels better right away. We just want Brandi to feel like Brandi again. We're hopeful and confident that we can make that happen."